How you doing, guys? I hope you guys are doing well. Today we're gonna be using FSD, and it's very nice out, so I shouldn't expect any problems. You guys have been asking to do a little bit more challenging routes, so that car just ran a stop sign. That is crazy, and we just started the video. At least she stopped before anything serious happened. There are some cars coming. It stops completely at the stop sign and makes the left turn very well. No complaints there. What I've noticed is that it's actually really good at figuring out if a car or like a pedestrian or anything is gonna like hit you. Like, it really has good judgment. In that situation, it stopped there and knew that car ran the stop sign. But thankfully, nothing bad really happened there. Now we're gonna take a left at this turn. It goes into the left lane. It doesn't cross the yellow. And it keeps a comfortable distance behind the car in front of us. And now we have to wait for the green. So at the end of the video, I'm gonna do a little auto parking test. So a few of you guys are asking for that, so I'm gonna start adding them in the video whenever I can. And yeah, thank you guys so much for all the love and support. I've been seeing a lot of you guys comment, seeing a lot of likes. A lot of people are asking to do some much more challenging routes, so hopefully this is a little bit more challenging. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, let's try getting around 10 likes this video. We are still a small channel, and yeah, let's try getting 10 likes. Some of you guys are asking for night drives and how the car performs at night, and I'm actually looking to do a lot of night drive videos, so be on the lookout for that. I'm going to be doing it like this week. So yeah, it takes the left very well, and it goes into the left lane and then makes the right turn lane. Gets over all the way to the right, and now it's gonna stop just before the crosswalk. Now this is Highway 7, so cars are coming fast, so this camera is gonna be doing a lot trying to see if cars are crossing. And it makes that right turn perfectly. It watched for the pedestrians, and now it's getting over to the cruising lane. No complaints there. So now with these straight routes, there's never really a problem. They could do these, they could figure out these lines very well. It sees perfect clearance, or perfect clear vision of the lights. Perfect clear view of the lights. Yeah, I've been doing a lot of these videos, so sometimes like I'm just like lose my words. I gotta get better at that. The camera's struggling to see my eyes, so it's telling me to pay attention. But yeah, hopefully the videos are getting better for you guys. I've only been doing this for like a month, and a lot of you guys are saying that these videos are giving you some sort of value, whether you're looking to get a new Tesla or you already have a Tesla and you want, FSD. We could kind of see the chargers over there, the superchargers, and there's a Cybertruck, which is pretty cool. A lot of Model Ys. I feel like Model Ys are the most popular version of the car. And if you guys are looking to get a Tesla, the Model 3 is usually cheaper, the cheapest car to get, which, if you guys are on a budget and you guys want the most cost-effective electric car, then the Model 3 might be the best bet, which is what I'm driving currently. But personally, I would probably look to get the Model Y. The Model Y is a lot more expensive, and for a first EV, I feel like the Model 3 is perfect. Because this is my first EV, so I chose the Model 3. Because it's like, I didn't know if it would work. I didn't know if I'd like it. But after owning this vehicle for around a year, I am very happy with this vehicle. Accelerates well from the light, and there is a Mercedes like driving pretty erratically, but it keeps a safe distance and it's not causing any problem on the road right now. And these sort of drives are pretty perfect for FSD, so you're able to like relax a lot more. And you know, if you had a stressful day, or you know you're just coming back from work and you just want to get home, FSD could just make you feel like you're being driven rather than driving in a stressful environment, getting even more stressed out. And I feel like that's what I really like about FSD. I could like some drives that I don't want to do, or some drives that I have to do, like I could just chill out a bit. Especially now that it's summer, you know, you're gonna be wanting to like drink your Starbucks or iced coffee or something. So with FSD, you're able to like, you know, be able to do some of that while being relaxed. And in the stop, and while we're stopped, you can see in the visualization, it shows all the cars that is around us, which is really cool. It's keeping track of all the cars in front of us. To our side, we could also spin it around. It could see all the cars behind us, which is, it's kind of crazy how much the cameras could see everything. But that's what makes FSD work. So yeah, if you guys want some, for those who have Teslas, if you guys want some accessories, check out the link in the description. Those links will help out the channel. And check out some of the playlists I make. There's a long form playlist and a short playlist if you guys want to binge some of my videos. The car accelerates from a stop through this light, and it stays like exactly where the lane is about to be, so like it doesn't veer off or cause any sort of dangerous situation, which is really nice. And it just follows the road while also keeping a very good distance from the car in front of us, this BMW. Even though all these cars around us are going different speeds, it's keeping an eye on everything. And we're going to be making a left turn at this at the light in a few meters. So we're going to have to be getting to the left lane. But it wants to get over to the right lane, which is very questionable because everybody's merging over. Oh, there's an accident. That's probably why. We've been seeing a lot of accidents lately in the videos. So, guys, please stay safe out there. Like, I know it's summer. I know a lot of you guys are driving a lot more. But almost every other day I've been seeing accidents, people pulled over. Take it easy, guys. One accident or, you know, one big ticket could ruin your whole summer, you know. FSD could help you be safer if you guys got a heavy foot. I know a lot of people in the city have heavy foots, you know. You guys speed, you guys need to get where you need to go. But with FSD, you could bring the offset much lower, so the car can't speed that much. So you could just go on FSD, chill out a bit, and your car won't speed. So if you guys are getting a lot of tickets lately for speeding or something, maybe some speed cameras. Not anymore in Ontario though, but maybe some other places have speed cameras. FSD could help help with that. But yeah, guys, stay safe. But now in traffic, this road's also especially, it's just this time. But we are going to be moving in just a bit, and then we're going to have to make a left turn and then a right turn into the plaza, and then we will do Autopark. So if you guys have been watching the videos, like if you guys have been binging some of my videos, if you guys are looking to get a Tesla or maybe try out FSD, like put some of your comments down below. And for those of you who have FSD or a Tesla, like check out some of the comments and answer any of the questions that people have. I'll be answering them in the video so I could give my full opinion and experience. So now we're going to be making a left turn at the light, so it's going to be waiting till we are allowed to do so, which is around the white lines. Gets it perfectly into the lane and stops just before the crosswalk. And now we are at the light. We should be getting advance, so all we have to do is wait. And during these times, you could check out the screen again and just see how much the system sees and is watching, like what's going on around it. So it's super cool to see this, because not many cars have this kind of feature, you know. For those of you who are very into tech, a Tesla is really cool, the amount of stuff that's in here. So now we're going to be making a left. And now it's going to have to get into the right lane, so we'll see how it handles it. Gets first in the left lane, then makes it over to the right lane. And now we are going to make a right into this plaza, and then we will try out Tesla Autopark. So yeah, we'll just do it over here. If you can see the lines, we'll just click a spot, just a random spot, and click start. And then this is Tesla Autopark. So if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below what you guys want to see. I make videos like this one every day. So if you guys enjoyed the video, just show some love. And it parks perfectly. No complaints there. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.